Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we will present our project-based learning entitled is Automatic Motorcycle Turn Signal Extinguishing System using Fuzzy Logic on Arduino Nano. In our team consisting on Miftahul Jihad, myself, Rohandi, Franscisko, Purba, and Gustomi Al Fattah. In this presentation, we have 4 outlines, namely introduction, literature review, implementation stage, cost, and schedule. Next, chapter 1 will be presentation by Rohandi.
Thank you. Background. Number 1. According to data from the Indonesian National Police report, the involvement of motorcycles in traffic accident in 2024 is 76.4%. Number 2. Human error is the biggest factor causing traffic accident. This is 95% in 2024. Number 3, especially in the case of forgetting to turn off the turn signal. This is because the turn signal control system still use human control or manually. Number 4, the proposed solution is to create a device with a system that can automatically turn off the turn signal of a motorcycle. Formulation of the problem. Number 1, how to design an automatic motorcycle turn signal blackout systems using Arduino Nano based on fuzzy logic. Number 2, how to apply the fuzzy logic method to determine the right time to extinguish automatic motorcycle turn signal light. Number 3, how to apply moving effects filter to stabilize the signal on accelerometer sensor before it is processed by the fuzzy system. Objective: designing an automatic motorcycle turn signal extinguishing system by applying fuzzy logic and moving effects filter methods on Arduino Nano as a solution to reduce human error in extinguishing motorcycle turn signal light. Benefit. Number 1, help motorcyclists who often forget to turn off their turn signal after turning. Number 2, helps of traffic accident. Number 3, add insight into signal processing, shift as moving a first filter, and the application of fuzzy logic methods in the automotive file. Problem limitation. Number 1, the system is only designed to automatically turn off the tune signal and to turn on the tune signal is still done manually. Number 2, the sensor used are limited to the accelerometer sensor used to detect the tilt of the motorcycle body and do not use additional sensor such as
Chapter 2
speed
Previous
sensor and
Research.
GPS.
Fourth,
Number 3, the processing of the input signal from the
Chapter 2 Previous
accelerometer
Research.
sensor
First, Pemadaman
only use a moving
2017.
effects filter,
Design a prototype of a
not
device
other
that can turn on and off the turn
types of
signal light
filters such
of
as
a
scanning or
motorcycle automatically
Kalman.
using Arduino Uno
Next, for chapter
R3
2,
and
presentation by Gustomi.
MPU/4000. Previous Research. Pemadaman 2017. Design a prototype of a device that can turn on and off the turn signal light of a motorcycle automatically using Arduino Uno R3 and MPU 6510. Sensor as a third angle reader. To Andriani, Virgono, and Saputra 2020. Design a system to control motorcycle turn signal using a Raspberry Pi and a GPS global positioning system. Navigation system in the form of a Google Maps application. However, The use of Raspberry Pi tends to require greater electrical power than other microcontrollers. Theoretical overview 1. Turn signal. Turn signal like are one of the communication tools between motorists that function as a sign or information to other motorists when turning, changing lanes, or to preset the vehicle in front. 2. Arduino Nano. Arduino Nano is the smallest type of microcontroller board that uses Atmega 328. Arduino Nano is suitable for this system because of its small size and practicality. 3. Accelerometer ADXL335 sensor. Accelerometer is a sensor used to measure acceleration, measure tilt, and detect vibration in an object. In this system, the sensor used is the ADXL335 sensor. 4. Moving average filter or MIF. MIF is a finite impulse response or FIR filter that works by calculating the average value of the input signal. The greater the average value, the better the result. MIF is needed to stabilize the accelerometer signal and reduce noise so that the resulting data is more accurate. 5. Fuzzy logic. Fuzzy logic was first introduced in 1965 by an American scientist of Iranian nationality, Professor Lotfi Azadeh. Fuzzy logic is a logic method that applies degree of membership in a set so that membership is secure, not only true and false.
Chapter 3, implementation stage. This is our work system diagram. Start, then turning on the turn signal switch manually, then reading accelerometer, then apply MAF filter and calculate sensor tilt angle, then fuzzy logic process, then diffusification, then is the if the turn signal turn off, then sending signal to relay. If no, then repeat to from apply moving average filter. After sending signal to relay, then turn the signal lights off. Next, from the motor battery is connected to buck converter to convert the 12 volt voltage to 5 volts so that it can be used by Arduino Nano. Box for mechanical design, box 1 contains the Arduino Nano and buck converter, which are placed inside the motorcycle seat. Box 2 contains the accelerometer sensor and relay module placed in the center of the footrest. We use two membership inputs, namely the previous motor body tilt and the current motor body tilt, with a delay of 3 seconds for the left tilt range from minus 45 degrees to minus 5 degrees, straight range from minus 10 degrees to 10 degrees, and right tilt range from 5 degrees to 45 degrees. The output use a scale value from 0 to 10 to determine the turn signal condition. The diffusification process produces three linguistic values: scale 0 to 3 for maintaining the lights, scale 3 to 7 for waiting to extinguish the lights, and scale 7 to 10 for extinguishing the lights. The two membership inputs form 9 rules that are connected to the output. The inference used is the AND operator when this operator takes the smallest membership value of the two inputs. Sensor testing is carried out to determine the performance of sensor readings. Fuzzy testing is carried out to determine the success rate of the fuzzy algorithm. Chapter 4, Cost and Schedule. The budget is around 2,320,000 rupiah and could be less. Tool making will be done for about 4 months. The conclusion is the end result of this research is expected to help the drivers who forget to turn off their turn signals so as not to confuse other drivers and minimize the occurrence of accidents. Thank you. This all from our team. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.